as she continues on, making money for today, doing what I do. But why is it so important how I make my money to you? If I'm not sucking or fucking you off, what do I have to do with you? They say my life is like a black and white movie. It might be. Classics for the classic. Classically made. Bitch, fuck with my money one more time and you dead. Now that's what a Pisces would do.